everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're kicking off Outfit of the Day, where you get a week of outfits, you get lots of puppies, PA weather, and some life in there. I'm Laura. I sure hope you stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. I do have furry sidekicks. They're not out here at the moment, but Willie, Loki, and Dexter, as well as Harvey the kitty. You may see cameos of all of them. It is Sunday morning. It's absolutely beautiful outside. 65, it's getting up to almost 80 today, so 79, and it already feels that warm right now in the sun. So I think that I'm going to try to wrap up all my chores first thing this morning and get to swim time before the pool closes. And for my outfit today, I was quick and easy. I chose a dress by Z Supply. I got in a front door fashion, paired it with a little matching bralette on underneath. This one's from Old Navy. And for shoes, my flip-flops, threw on my Sanuks. And I did not put any additional jewelry on, so just the jewelry I had on when I went to sleep, which is my earrings and my permanent bracelets. And that is my outfit today. I sure hope your week starts off amazing, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for Outfit of the Day. And how can September already almost be over? Don't understand. I don't understand where the time went this year, I'm telling you. How you doing, Loke? All right, so my Stitch Fix posted today, and it was such a good one. Where are you going, buddy? It was such a good one. I will tell you up front, I did not keep that leather dress. I really liked it, but with the combination of the puff sleeve, which would be hard to wear cardigans, jackets over top of, and we're heading into cooler weather, and the shorter style, so I couldn't wear it into the work, I was like, I just don't think I'm going to get a lot of wear out of it. So I did not keep it, although I did really like it. What I did keep, though, was the skirt from Z Supply, which I was so happy to get. Love it so much. I did keep the Pistola pants. They're just awesome. So the utility pant. I kept the Z Supply cardigan because it's adorable. I kept the Just USA leopard print pants, right on trend, which so many outfits I can create with these individual pieces, I think. And then I did keep the Days denim, which had, these were the barrel style. And that is all my keepers. This was a really good box. So good. So good. And for my outfit today, I have on a Stitch Fix top. So this is Free People. Got it in a box just recently. Paired, of course, underneath. I have one of my Evereve bralettes on. I love my Evereve bralettes. I got to go out and check to see what new colors they come in, because I'm always looking for one of these to pair under anything low cut, especially when I'm working from home. So perfect. And then I have on a Faherty skirt that I got in a Trendsend probably 2 years ago now, I think. And I'm wearing shoes. I'm wearing shoes, yes. These are by Dolce Vita, the fun little T-strap. I got those in a Trendsend. For jewelry, my normal jewelry, still wearing my hoop earrings, and I have on a bracelet stack. And that's a wrap on Monday. Hope you're doing awesome, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday. I almost said Wednesday. It's only Tuesday. I was up early, had a dentist appointment, had a dermatologist appointment, so it's been crazy, then to work. So, yeah, and it is absolutely gorgeous outside. This so feels like summer right now. It's only 73, getting up to 77. It feels like 85 right now in the sun. It's hot, 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 hot. And for my outfit today, I chose a Z Supply striped skirt. I put on this Rails denim vest that I got from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. The collar is actually high. Like, do you see that? Because I put on this necklace, I decided to make it a little more V-necky. So I did that all on my own and decided to just change the color. And for shoes, I did a pop of color. These are by Dolce Vita. I got those in a Trendsend, which my Trendsend is coming up tomorrow. You guys are going to see that. It's so good. It's so good. Spoiler alert, I kept everything. So, and for jewelry, I just have on my bracelet stack, my Louis necklace, the earrings I've been wearing. That's it. That's it. The peppers are all wound up. They had some quiet time, which means they spent a little bit of time in their crates. Now they're back out and full of energy. All right, I gotta get back to work. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. And my Trendsend posted today. So I know I told you yesterday I kept it all, which I did. I did think about returning a few items. I thought about returning the boot charm. I thought about returning, I think the t-shirt, even though I thought it was super cute. I thought about returning the dress. In the end, I just kept it all. I loved it all. I think the dress would be super fun for these fall work from home days, but also would work well for date night or just Saturday. And I think that with that sweater, I could get a jean jacket over top of it. I just think it would be adorable. Such a good one. My stylist is so good. Like, she's just amazing. I love my stylist. All right, and for today's outfit, it is really, really nice out here. Like, it's 70 degrees, getting up to 75, feels like 80, 85. The sun is hot. It's just amazing. I do hear the cold is coming tonight, though. So there's that. Tomorrow, maybe look very different. So we're going to enjoy the sunshine while we can. And for my outfit today, I have on cut from the cloth denim from a Trendsend. I have on a Free People tank from a JB Stylebox. I have on this cute little top from Z Supply that my friend got me for my birthday. I love this as an open layer. It's adorable. For shoes, DV, Stitch Fix. You've seen those before. And my normal jewelry. So I have on a necklace that I got, I believe, in a Trendsend. My bracelet stack. We're set. We made it to hump day. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It is gorgeous out here. It is 66 going up to 75. It feels like 80 in the sunshine. Again, it has just been a beautiful week. And I took my dad to get his PET scan this morning. So you may remember when he was in the hospital, they found all kinds of things when they did the CT scan, etc. And I mean, I think he found a lesion in his throat, something in his lungs. I think there was something in his stomach, his pelvis. At that time, he took a decision that he wanted to leave. He didn't go through any tests at all. Didn't want biopsies, just wanted to go home, which is what he did. So I was able to talk to him with the help of his PCP, talk him into at least having this PET scan. Not because I want to force anything on him. He's 84. He gets to choose how he wants to handle his own health care. But I at least wanted him to understand what he was dealing with before he either took a choice to do something or not do something, right? I was hopeful at least that would tell him if in fact it is cancer. I don't want him stressing about it if it's not. If it's just a lump that he could have removed and not get through treatments, maybe it might be worth considering. So anyway, they did do, they call it eye to thigh scan of his body. So I guess we'll find out what's going on. At least then he'll know. I think that he might get a call and probably Monday, but I do take him back to the doctor next Friday. So then we'll find out what's going on and what the course of action may be if he wants to do anything. I leave Monday for Vegas for a conference. I come back Thursday evening, and then Friday morning we'll head to the doctor. So another busy week coming up here. I hope everything goes well and it's a much better results than we're thinking. That's my prayer, and that's what I'll be hoping for. For today's outfit, I had to get up super early because we were the first appointment. So I grabbed an easy one and done. You may remember this from my Cabi haul, I believe was it last year? Lisa would know. I think I always say that. I'm always trying to remember the timing. I think last year. Love this easy one and done. I got it at the end of the season, so I didn't get a chance to wear it yet. So yeah, that's why I'm thinking it is from last year. Anyway, love the snake print. I paired it with a cute little Evereve bralette. You know how much I love my Evereves. They're just so comfy. I figured that way if I wanted to undo a button, then you could see a little bit of that for work meetings. I'm going to leave the button up. Super cute. Has a little tie belt. Very comfortable, very, and the weather's perfect for it. I did grab a jacket in case, because it was cool this morning, so we woke up to like 42 degrees. So I grabbed my Miramar denim jacket. This is one where this is just painted on. I love this jacket so much. This is the crop version, adorable. And then my shoes are Dolce Vita with the fun detailing. I'm thinking I may take these to Vegas with me. They're going to be a nice, I think, comfy shoe. So far they've been comfortable all day and I've been running. So Then I have my bracelet stack. I have an Ana Luisa necklace on. And that's my outfit. All right. Tomorrow's Friday. I will see you then. Hey everybody, it is Friday. We made it. And it is another gorgeous, beautiful day. I love it. I hope that it continues to stick around. Like, fingers crossed. I actually think by the time I get back from this conference next week, it's going to be like a lot cooler. But today I'm going to take it. It's beautiful. It is already 74, getting up to 77 again. Still feels like 80 to me. And for my outfit today, I chose Spanx shorts. I have on a L&A tank and a Sanctuary cardigan since I was, you know, working this morning. So this is like all that you see, right? But I love this tank. It's like one of the L&A Jones tanks. Threw on a loft belt. You know how I love my belts. And then these comfy sandals you guys have seen before. I love these. They're by Dolce Vita. Willie came for his attention because I've been working all morning, so he didn't get any attention all morning, did you? And for Friday Funny, let's see. So this is what I don't have a video of. If I had, it really would have been funny. Instead, I'm just going to tell you a funny story. So in the mornings, we get up pretty early, right? 5:30. And I let the puppers out first thing as soon as I get up. Willie usually sees my son, but he won't run him in the morning. When he gets up, usually at 5, he just throws him in the room with us, so he's got to hold it for like another 30 minutes until I get up. So I get up this morning. It's dark out. It was much cooler. It was like 48, 50 degrees this morning. I'm in my sleep clothes, which, you know, I can go outside my sleep clothes. I'm basically fully dressed, but I had shorts on and a tank, and I had thrown on a long robe because I knew it was going to be cold out and I could wrap it around while I'm waiting for them to do their business. And then for an extra measures, I grabbed this little fleece like shacket that I keep downstairs to run the dogs. I had that on top. So you're starting to picture this look, right? I had socks on my feet because I always put cream on at night, you know, to try to make sure I don't get those crusty heels. So I had those on, and probably flip-flops. So we go outside. Like normally, this is no big deal. They do their business. We come back inside. This morning, one of my neighbors is jogging. And it starts to sound like Loki right now, only it's much louder because it is 5:30 in the morning. He sees her first, starts barking because she's running past. I did not put their collars on yet because it was 5:30 in the morning and usually we're fine. Well, he takes off. Willie was right behind him, barking like a maniac. And once Dexter realized everyone had escaped the yard, because now they are chasing her up the road, Dexter decided to join the party. So now here I am with my robe and my jacket and my, you know, socks and flip-flops. I might not even put the flip-flops on. I might have been in my socks, chasing them up the road. She had to stop while I'm apologizing profusely. She kept trying to run away. I'm trying to tackle dogs. They're very quick. They're very, very quick. I'm not catching them. And Loki. They listen so well. It was a mess. Let me just tell you, it was a hot mess. Hot mess. I finally got the two worst ones, which is Willie and Loki. Dexter then followed suit, and we were able to get back in the house. But yeah, it was quite the morning display. Oh, these dogs. So much fun. Well, that's a wrap on Friday, and we will be back tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. Another gorgeous day out here. It's 59 degrees. I grabbed a jacket because I thought it was going to be cold. It's not. It's not. It's getting up to 78 today. It's going to be beautiful. The puppers are out here. Loki, he barks at every darn thing, like everything. Everything. All right, so my Wantable fall trends or fall forecast edit posted today. And it was a great box. I actually liked most of the box, but in the end, I had hard decisions to make. And I really, really want the Z Supply cardigan, so I might just have to pull the trigger and just buy it myself. So I didn't keep that. The only things I ended up keeping, I thought the denim jacket was really nice, but I own a bunch of denim jackets. And I thought the midi slip skirt was cute in black, but it didn't fit well, right? I thought the jeans, the cuff jeans were great, but I have other cuff jeans. So I kept the high-rise jogger, and I kept the Sherpa trim denim jacket by Liverpool. So that I kept 2 things out of that one, even though it was a really great edit. All right, so for today, it's my husband's birthday, so we're going out to dinner for his birthday today. So I dressed kind of with that in mind, and I have on a set. This is not a dress, it's actually a top and a skirt from Evereve. Got it in a Trendsend. Paired it with gold Dolce Vita sandals. I'm headed to breakfast with my friend, so I might be a little overdressed for breakfast, but I figured by adding the jean jacket, it, you know, makes it more casual. The jean jacket is from White House Black Market. I love it. You've seen it a bunch of times. My bracelet stack. I have on my name necklace, and I'm off. And that's a wrap. That is a wrap on Outfit of the Day. What did you think this week? I will list all of them down below. Let me know what your favorite was. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course I'll put all the links to the boxes down below as well. I can't wait to hear what your favorite was. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, swipe, and hit that hype button. And I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.